with us in the lobby. We got a brand new record called America, Land of Hopes and Dreams. And this whole year, we're going to be celebrating our 250th birthday as a nation, one of the greatest nations God's ever put on the planet. And our tour this year will culminate in one big night on July the 3rd. We have been invited to sing at the Kennedy Center. So we're excited about that. And for these next couple of songs, we want to sing what we're going to sing that night on that special night. I hope you enjoy it.